Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I just want to show you these Torx security bits. So security being the hole in the nose so that they go over fasteners that have the post that keep them, as they call, tamper-proof. But if you notice these ones, they are also 5-point, where Torx is usually 6-point. And if you look at the spokes, they're also rounded. So here's a traditional Torx. You can see it has 6 points, and each of the points is pretty sharp. So that's your traditional Torx. So these ones right here that have the hole in the nose is the tamper-proof version of a Torx, so that you can put it on a fastener. I'll show you that fastener in a minute of what that looks like. Now these ones, by comparison, are the pluses. See how each of the teeth are somewhat more rounded than they are sharp? So that makes them the plus for the Torx. And again, there's 6-point, there's also 5-point, there's different versions. So I'll put a link in the description where you can pick these up in case you don't have a set. I didn't have a set of these until just recently. They're pretty uncommon to have in your toolkit. And if you look at the fastener here, see how it has the nub in the middle? That's for the tamper-proof or security, so the bit has to go over that or you'd strip it out. So it's just a way to deter people from taking the fastener off. In this case, it's on a cat guard, so to keep the catalytic converters safe. But you'll see these every so often. But thanks for watching. Check the video description. I'll put a link to the product and other videos that are similar to this. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.